and welcome back to Twins Reviews. Today we're reviewing the iTouch Air Special Edition Smartwatch presented by iTouch Wearables. Let's get into it.
Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing portion of the video. One thing I want to mention before I start talking about the packaging is the fact that this watch is water resistant. While not waterproof, that is still pretty nice. Anyway, let's go ahead and talk about the packaging. It's nice, transparent, and everything there to display the watch for you. Has all the features written on the box, and of course all of the necessary things are under the watch. That is the manual and this charging thing. I guess what it basically is like kind of magnetic, and it just plugs into a USB, just magnetizes to the watch like so. And the battery life is honestly really good on this watch. I've gone like 3 days without charging it pretty nicely, so it's good on that front. It lasts a long time, so nothing to complain there. Overall, great packaging, great fit, and let's go on to the vlog portion of the video. Alright, so now the iTouch Air. Stick around to the end of the video for a giveaway and all the rules on this unopened box. As you can see, one I have right here and one right here. Thank you so much to iTouch Wearables for sending this to us to review. So if you want to win one of these, stick around to the end of the video to find out the rules. Alright, so the way we're going to talk about this is we're going to mention all the features. We're going to mention my experience with wearing the watch, which I have been for a bit of time now. We're going to evaluate it, maybe suggest some features, and then we will talk about the giveaway and promotional code that you guys can use on their website. And you can also check out iTouch Wearables, their YouTube channel. We will link it down below.
Right, so first let's talk about the features of this watch.
First, let's get out of the way. This watch is around $60, and there's multiple variations of the color that you can get and the band, which is actually replaceable. There's a way you can take it out and put in another one. But the main features of this, obviously we got the watch, which is great. You can change all the interface. There's so many different options, and you can even put a custom picture on it, which I have done. Not anymore, but I tried it, and it's cool as well. So that's a nice little touch for the interface. Now let's go ahead and take a look. One of the greatest things that I wasn't expecting was text messages. I can check my text messages by just swiping down, well, from up to down, and it just pulls up the text messages. I go right to get more, to see more. I can't reply to them, but it buzzes when I receive a text message, so I can see it instantly. That's a great feature. Another feature on this is obviously all the fitness stuff. You got your step counter, you got your heart rate, which we can actually...
Really good thing to do if you're working out. Just pull that up and you see how many steps you can take and what your heart rate is. It's pretty good feature.
Right now I'm measuring my heart rate. 77 beats per minute, which is pretty resting. Mine is 60 to 100, which the app also tells you because you create an account. Anyway, so we got the blood oxygen, we got sleep, which is great. So like all the fitness things that you can track is all in here. You can measure straight through this or through the app, which you have to download. It's just the iTouch Wearables app to connect the watch. Now there's also sports mode, so you can track stuff while you're doing sports. So if I'm playing basketball, for example, I can put it in basketball mode and track the stuff there. I can also check the weather. Right now there's 16 degrees Celsius. You just select the city that you want it to show for, and it does. There's also a camera remote, which I can just touch my watch and it'll take a picture. I do have to be in the iTouch Wearables app though, so I can't really customize it. Can't do like portrait mode or anything. It's just the camera, just the standard, which I think could be improved, I guess. Maybe if it allows me to go into my camera app, because I do have a good phone that they can take some nice resolution, change all of that good stuff. You can also control your music, which is great. Just forward, down, pause, whatever. That is about it for all the features of this. You can also check all of the things that I've said on the app, so that's pretty great as well.
Alright, so the experience with the watch is pretty good. I don't usually wear watches or anything like that, but with this one we did try it a little bit, and the experience with it was pretty good. It's definitely comfortable enough for me to wear it. If you want to wear it, go for it. The features are great. It'll definitely help, especially if you want to track your workouts and sleep and all that stuff. I think would be probably the main use for it.
Speaking about sleep, I only got 4 hours of it, which is bad.
Well, I mean, okay, well, there you go. So he tracked the sleep, and now he knows that he didn't sleep. And of course, the text messages is also useful because if you're waiting on something important, you can just put on the watch, or if your phone's charging or something, it'll just buzz and you can respond to that. So I'd say the experience overall is pretty good.
I don't usually ever wear watches, but I actually found myself wearing this one like every time when I go out. It's very comfortable and especially aesthetically pleasing. It kind of blends in with the colors I wear. I usually wear black because I'm boring.
All right, so this is a pretty great product. We do have some suggestions though. For example, when you're swiping to change what you're viewing, there isn't really like it just slides. It'd be great if there was like an animation for it. For now, it just like slides and
yeah, it just kind of changes.
It kind of changes. It's a little bit boring, but it's not a huge complaint. But I think if there was like some kind of cool animation, then it would be better.
That would be pretty sick. One more thing that I think would be really easy to implement, and I don't know, but a Find My Phone feature would be really great because it doesn't have that. But I think it'll be pretty great if that's a possibility. But that's just a suggestion. But my overall, this is great. I really like this product.
Right, so we already hosted one giveaway and we're doing another one. We got sent 2 watches. This one is unopened, so there's that. Basically, the rules are the exact same as we had for the previous giveaway. All you have to do is we're gonna post a picture of this or something, and it'll say giveaway. Our Instagram is right here. Twins Review, I think that's what it is, at Twins Review. It's right here. Check it out. The post should be up by the time this video is up. All you have to do is make sure you like the post and then share that post on your story, and then come back and comment on the video your Instagram at, so we'll basically know that it's you and you're the person that reposted the post on your story, because it tags us and we can see it in our DMs. So basically that's the best way to track who's in the giveaway. And after about a couple weeks, we'll share the giveaway winner in a video, and then that'll probably say that in the title, so be looking out for that in the description. So if you forgot, just read, make sure you comment on the video and all of that.
And if you happen to not win the giveaway or still want to pick this up as soon as possible, or just trying to buy it for a friend, we actually have a discount code for you, which is twins10. You can see it right here.
Yes.
You can go to iTouchwearables.com
and you can use that code to get $10 off your order. So make sure you check that out if you want to buy something from there.
I think that's a pretty sweet deal, because if you take this one for example, it's only $60, and knock off another 10, you know, you got yourself a nice ass watch for $50. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We got a lot more reviews coming up, and don't forget to check out The Jedi's Path, which is a Star Wars fan film that we made. It's with a video before this. We worked really hard on it, so we would appreciate if you go check that out.
Yeah, basically depending on the feedback, that basically tells us if we should make more sort of skits or episodes or videos of that sort. We're thinking of doing some more, but we do need feedback and people telling us that they want more content like that. That's how we're gonna get them out. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, notifications, all that good stuff. Check out our blog, twinsreviews.com. It's in the description. We try to post on there. We write about games, movies, products, all that good stuff. You can check that out. Instagram as well for the giveaway. Remember that. And that's pretty much it. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye.